Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the second ever vlog I have ever done on this channel. You guys crushed the support on the last one I did. A lot of you guys seemed to like it and it did relatively decent numbers. So I thought, why not make another vlog today and make this a more regular thing on the channel? Anyways, guys, today I have a relatively busy day in front of me. I just finished going to school from 7 a.m. up until now. And well, I'm in my car right now because I'm about to ship out these packages right here. I just sold 2 shoes on StockX that I picked up over the past couple of weeks, and this is for about $60 in profit. Although I'm not too big into sneaker reselling, every single week pretty much I'll check out what shoes are dropping on the sneakers app, YeezySupply.com, and some of those other hypebeast websites. And if I'm able to cop a pair of sneakers, why not resell it for an extra $50 to $100 profit? With that all being said, I will see you guys at the post office. I just went ahead and shipped out each of the shoes I sold on StockX this morning for a fat $60 in profit, which is always a great way to start the day. Who wouldn't want an extra $60 in their bank account? And well, guys, the next item we have on the agenda for today is to go to the store to get my mom a little birthday present, because her birthday is literally tomorrow and I haven't gotten her a present yet. And before you guys call me a bad son, I got her some gifts for Christmas that I knew she would really like, and I kind of ran out of ideas for her birthday. So I think I'm just gonna head over to either Walmart or Target and arrange a little birthday basket with a bunch of different gifts in it for her birthday, because well, I don't really know what to get her, and sometimes it's just the thought that counts. I just dropped a fat 50% of our sneaker reselling profits on a birthday present for my mom. It's okay though, guys, because she's worth it. I mean, she's my mom and the reason I'm even born in here to make money, so I think she deserves a pretty nice birthday present. Anyways, guys, as for what I got her inside of the store for her birthday, you guys probably saw a little bit from the clips I was able to record, but it really isn't anything too special, just some things I thought she might need, and I also got her some candy and some funny gifts I thought she might appreciate for her birthday. Now that we have these second thing on our to-do list nicely checked off the list, it is time to head back home, get some video editing done for the channel, and then after that I'm gonna pick up my filmer Danielle, because we're gonna go film some new videos for you guys to watch. Guys, I'm probably not gonna film too much of me going home and video editing, but as soon as I pick up my filmer Danielle from school, I'll let you all know. Yo guys, I just picked up my filmer Danielle from school. We're gonna go film some videos now for the channel. Right now we're filming a video where I tried day trading for a week, and if you guys are watching this vlog right here, that video actually came out on Friday. If you guys didn't know, Danielle is the one who films pretty much all of my videos where I'm not just sitting down in front of the camera, and Danielle also manages the Discord, which you guys can join, top link in the description down below. So yeah, she's a big part of the channel. And just like that, over the next 3 hours, Danielle and I went hard filming content for the main channel, all the way from day trading stocks to opening mystery boxes, and we are even filming a video right now on selling fake Rolexes for 1 week. That video will be coming to you guys soon, and after Danielle and I finished filming, I paid her a fat $40 for 3 hours of work, and we sat down to film a little Q&A. Alright guys, Danielle and I just finished up a 3-hour session of filming. It was pretty productive, we got a lot done, and now I'm gonna go ahead and ask you some questions that the subscribers asked you on Instagram. Are you ready for this? All right, so the first question I have for you is, does she have a business? Do you have a business?
No, I don't know much about money things.
Next question, how do you know each other?
Well, we've been friends since we were kids. We basically grew up together, and now he's now the financial wolf, and since I've like always been his friend, I'm just helping him out, and it's really great to be a part of the channel. Yeah, for sure, and we have a lot of fun. It kind of brought us back together because, you know, there were a few years where we didn't really hang out as much, and then when I started this channel, kind of brought us back together because we film like every single week together, and it's a bunch of fun. Next question, what is your net worth? I don't know. Is that all the money in the bank account?
All the money in your bank account, all the assets you've bought, like your computer you have, or like your phone.
Maybe like 3,000.
Last question we're gonna address here. Are you guys dating? We are not. I currently don't have a girlfriend or anything like that. Danielle actually has a boyfriend, so we just work together and we're friends. After filming that quick Q&A with my friend Danielle, I ran back home and edited some of the content we filmed earlier that morning until around 8 p.m. at night when some more friends came over to film some content for the vlog. I just finished filming with Danielle, and well guys, I'm with 3 more of my friends right here, and I thought something fun to do would be we all take an IQ test, and whoever gets the highest IQ score gets $100 from yours truly. I'm also going to be taking the IQ test, so if I win, which probably won't happen, I'll keep the $100. For the contestants of this challenge, other than myself, we have my best friend Christian in front of me. He's probably gonna get a score lower than Forrest Gump. Then we have Christian's girlfriend, aka Riley. She's pretty smart. And then finally, we have Riley's friend Cece. She's actually the valedictorian right now of our class, so I think she's gonna do pretty well. Now that I have introduced each of the contestants, it is time to start actually taking the IQ test, and whoever gets the highest score wins $100 from yours truly. Good luck, everyone. Alright guys, I just finished taking my IQ test and I got a score of 88.5, which I believe is below average, so I guess I'm stupid. Now let's ask my friends to see what they got. Christian, what score did you end up getting?
81.5.
Not bad. What about you, Riley?
94.5.
What about you?
103.
The valedictorian got 103 IQ. I don't know. But anyways, I guess you win the $100. Congratulations.
Let's go.
And well guys, now that we've done this little IQ test challenge, it is time to end the vlog for today, and I'll pick back up the camera for tomorrow because I've got some interesting stuff happening then too. It is now day 2 of this video, and well guys, to kind of wrap things up for this vlog, I want to talk about one of the most loved and hated social media apps in the entire world, and that is TikTok. I have been posting pretty much daily on TikTok for the past week or so now, and when I started this challenge, I legit had 650 followers. As you guys can see from my creator analytics right here, you can see when I first started posting on TikTok, I started getting views pretty good, like 17,700 views here, 22,200 views here, and after posting pretty consistently for 4 days in a row, my views per day literally went from 9.5k all the way up to 1.1 million, which is actually more views than I have ever gotten on YouTube in a single month. The video that blew up on my TikTok page now has over 1.5 million views. It was on the topic of Bitcoin mining, and as you guys can see, it has brought my TikTok page to over 8,000 followers, which is 2,000 followers away from joining the Creator Fund. The reason I say this is not to flex my absolutely insane level of TikTok clout, but to tell you guys that if you have a business or want to build a personal brand, get on TikTok literally right now. I have another friend with a page by the name of Apple Creator who started posting on TikTok 3 weeks ago, and he's literally gone from 0 to 100,000 followers, and I can't name another social media app in history where someone can grow that fast. I already know there's gonna be some comments on this video down below of people telling me that just because you can get views on TikTok doesn't mean you can make money. And well, that's where you're wrong, because they recently launched a creator fund, and although it doesn't pay out too much money, my friend Apple Creator has already earned over $100 in 5 days, and another one of my friends, Jake Carlini, has earned $150 in his first month. I'm sure as they start getting more advertisers on the platform, the amount you can get paid by the creator fund will only go up. With that being said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the second ever edition of the Financial Wolf vlog. Either tomorrow or the next day, I will have another video coming your way. It's grind season, baby. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.